So in this step, we're gonna learn router. So in the previous video, we built a graph, which is a quite simple structure. And we added tools, and we see that return a tool call, and return value was a text, which is a natural language response. But we see that the tool was called, but not really the returned value from the tool. So here we are going to check if a tool was used and the return value is correct. And now we're going to add the LLM as a router, which can decide which way to go. And that's the concept of router here. We installed 3 libraries already, and this one is the new one, and also this one didn't work in my desktop, so I had some trouble. I'll tell you later what I did to make the code run when it didn't work. But at the moment, I presume that everyone has no problem with the library installation, also using the library. And we changed this tool in the previous code. And please modify this part with the tool you defined in the previous file, so that we can continue with our testing. We will continue this same prompt, and so we need a tool you defined in the previous code. And here the change is that first let's check the graph. It's a little bit changed. So in the previous, we just have start and tool calling and then end. However, here we added tool. So it's same that we have a tool calling LLM. So this LLM will call the tool. It may call the tool, or it doesn't call the tool. Then still, if it call the tool, then tool will be used. If not, then it will give an answer without tool. So we here add this node and then tool node, and this tool node is in the pre-built, and we add conditioner edge from the tool calling. So it's a tool call, then tool condition routes to tools. Latest message is not a tool call, then it's end. So it gives a conditional branch here, and then connect the edge. So from start to here, and then from tool calling it goes to tool condition, and then so it should go here or here, and then tool to end node is added. The edge between these two are added. So these are not really complicated one. So when this pre-built didn't work, what I did is I asked this issue to Perplexity and defined my own tool node and tool condition, which wasn't really difficult, because tool node need to save the tool message and run the tool, and this tool condition was also not really complicated. So I fixed the error by defining my own tool node and tool condition with the help of Perplexity. So I think you can, if you cannot install this, or you cannot use this pre-built, I think you can try the same. So the change is that here it asks, hello, what is the 2 multiplied by 2? And we see the message here. So in the previous code, we saw tool calls, but we didn't see the return value, but now we see the return value here. Okay, so that's the difference. So you need a tool node to actually launch the tool. Here it's just called the tool. So it says, so okay, I should use the tool, and this is the tool I'm gonna use. But it didn't run the tool yet. But by adding tool here, tool node, it now run the tool and provide the answer, which is a return value from the tool. So that's the what tool nodes for. So here let's change this part and see, and also change the prompt, this one, to ask a question about the smart code. So, and let's check if you can get the smart code of Tylenol by running this code after you modified here and the prompt.